In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move elements in Canva in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete newbie to Canva's interface, understanding how to move elements around your canvas with ease is essential for creating stunning designs. So let's dive right in and explore the best ways to achieve this. First, let's start with the most straightforward method. Click and drag. It might sound simple, but mastering this technique will allow you to position each element exactly where you want it on your canvas. Just click on the element you want to move, hold down your mouse button and drag the element to your desired location. Release the mouse button to drop it in place. This intuitive action feels natural and can save you a lot of time as you rearrange your design elements. Remember, you can use this technique for text boxes, images, icons, or any other design component in Canva. Now let's talk about some tips to fine-tune this process. Pay close attention to the snap guidelines that appear as you move elements across your canvas. These guidelines help ensure that your elements are aligned properly, giving your design a professional, polished look. If you need more precision when aligning elements, consider using the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge elements into place. This allows for more control, especially when trying to make minute adjustments that the mouse might overshoot. If you're working with multiple elements and want to move them as a group, simply click and drag your mouse around the elements to select them all. You can also hold down the Shift key and click on each element you wish to include in your selection. Once selected, click and drag the group to move all elements together, maintaining their relative positions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend some time experimenting with these techniques to become faster and more confident in your design process. If you find that mistakes occur, or if you accidentally move an element out of place, Canva's undo feature is your best friend. Just hit Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on Mac to undo recent actions. And there you have it. Moving elements in Canva is a simple yet powerful skill that plays a crucial role in crafting compelling designs. By understanding these basics and practicing them, you'll be on your way to becoming more proficient and efficient, making your Canva projects stand out with precision and style. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.